What's up, YouTuniverse? Alex here. Hey, I just got my first Facebook request for a science question. This is a milestone for me. I'm super excited, guys. I'm super excited to talk about science with you guys. And I get everyday questions about fish and carp and because of my other YouTube channels. So this milestone is a big one, guys, and I'm super excited. The question is, however, relatively easy to answer, and I don't have a problem doing it. So let's get to it. So I have a confession to make before I release the question that was asked first. I was asked another question first, and that question has a lot to do with theology. I don't think at this point in time I'm really comfortable arguing theology. A lot of religions actually have a lot to bring to the science community. So as far as that's concerned, I'm going to leave that one off the table. Instead, I'm just going to talk about the question that I was asked afterwards, which has to do with science and nothing to do with theology. How did the planets form along a plane? Now, a plane, let me explain that. Here's your sun. This would be a plane. The planets form along that plane. Planet, 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 planet. Okay? So that's a plane. So a lot goes into a solar system forming. And the most widely accepted model is that everything starts as dust and gas in a cloud. Now, this cloud is already in initial movement, turning around just like this. Now, as it's turning around, centrifugal forces are actually stretching that from a sphere, or from a cloud even, not just a sphere, but from a cloud to a disc shape. Now, that is how the planets form. There's all of the particles and everything that's necessary for the planets to form is already in that disc shape. And those little pieces of dust are collecting and creating gravity of their own to collect more and more pieces. Now, obviously, the sun is collecting the most amount of matter in the center. So that doesn't really leave a lot for those first 4 planets. I'm going to not talk about the gas giants for now, because that kind of flips this a little bit on its axis. But this is essentially how the planets form on a plane, because they're already in a disc shape. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and share. You guys have a fantastic day.